Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a video showing you how to create designs for personalization using our app for mugs. First off, I'll just show you what we're going to do in this video. This video is appropriate for around 85% of the mugs that we've got. Some of the mugs have got different size templates, but you can download those off the product pages. But in general, most of them have got the same size here, and you can follow the same process or adapt it for whichever mug you're doing. So there's a couple of types of designs that people do on the mugs. We've got the full wrap mug, which is a design here we've got for you, and we're going to create this design, show you how the customer can upload this section here and how they can enter their text here. And then we've got the standard front and back mug. I'm going to take you through how to create a design with a customer photo upload here, and basically how they can enter their text here. So first thing I'll do is I'll take you through the template. If you create your design on here, save it as a PNG. When you upload it into the app, it will be absolutely the perfect fit. You can upload your own designs, move them and size them in the app, but for accuracy, we reckon the best process is to use the template. Now, if you're creating a full wrap image, then your sizes are here for the full wrap size. But if you're creating a front and back image, or just a front image for the mug, then these light blue areas are here, and you've got the size that you need to create your design to here, and this center line shows you where to position it, so it's in the right place for you. So what I'll do first is I'll move across and we'll do the full wrap mug first. So I'll turn off all the different sections here, so you can see this is what you start with, and then as you build your design up here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want the customer to enter the text here, and this is going to be where they upload their photo here. Now, just a note on the text field here, when you're creating text field that the customer is going to fill in, then you need to work or basically use a font that is actually in our app. We have around 150 fonts in here that you can use or select from: handwriting fonts, serif fonts, etc. So that when the customer comes to type in their text, it'll be the same text as you've got in here. For instance, this is the Anton font, which we have. So when the customer enters it, the font will match your design. Any fixed design here, you can use whatever font you want because it's a graphic and it's just there to display. So once you've entered your text and you've got it here, when you come to save the design, what you want to do is basically turn that layer off. So we'll enter this text layer when we create the product in the app. This doesn't have to be transparent at all because you're entering text over a background. So that's how you do the text, and that's how you want your text to look when you save the design. When it comes to the image, once you've positioned your image where you want it on your design, what you need to do is you need to turn that off, and then because this is transparent, which it needs to be for photo upload, you can obviously see the template at the back. But because you've now created everything that you want, what you want to do is either turn off or delete that background layer so it leaves this area of transparency here. And you can do this in Photoshop or Canva, it doesn't really matter which one you're using. But once you've got your design like this, what you then want to do is save it as a PNG. So we'll do save a copy, and we'll select PNG, and we'll call this full wrap test. So that's now saved, and that's ready for creating a product in the app, and the video below this one on the mug page will show you how to do that. So what we'll do now is we'll move across to the front and the back design. So again, I'll turn off all the elements that are in this design, and you can see here we've got the size in light blue for the right side, and then we've got the design here in light blue for the left side. So if I turn those on, and you can see here, these are the sizes that you need to make your designs so they'll fit perfectly on each side of the mug. So once you've created your design and positioned it where you want, again, what you need to do with the text here, because that text field is going to be entered in the app, you're going to turn that text field off. And again, if we look here, excuse me, if we look here, we can see that that font is Impact, which again is in our list of fonts on here, so you can use that font with no problem. So again, we'll turn that off because you know where you want that to go. And then here we've got this image here, and again that's positioned in that frame. So we'll turn that off, and because that's transparent in the frame, you can see the template at the back. So now we've got everything positioned. We either want to turn off or delete that template at the back, and that's your template that you're going to use, or your design you're going to upload to the app to create your product. So again, we'll save that one as test design 2, and that's going to be a PNG, and we'll save that. Okay, so that's how you create your designs. If you watch the video below this one, I'll show you how to create the products there and add the fields in the app. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.